In this video, I'll guide you through how to give seller feedback on Amazon. Leaving feedback is a great way to share your shopping experience with other buyers and help sellers improve their services. Whether you had an amazing experience or encountered some issues, your feedback is valuable. Let's dive into the process and make your voice heard. First, you'll need to head over to Amazon.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. Once you're on the home page, keep your eyes on the top right corner. That's where you'll find a handy button labeled Returns and Orders. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page that lists all of your recent orders, making it easy to keep track of your purchases. Now that you're on the orders page, look for the specific order you want to give feedback on. It might help to have your order details handy if you have several recent purchases. Once you've located the order, you'll see a button that says Leave Seller Feedback. Click on that, and it will take you to the feedback page. On the feedback page, you'll have the opportunity to rate your experience. This typically involves selecting a star rating and possibly writing a brief comment about your experience. Be honest and constructive in your feedback. If the seller exceeded your expectations, let them know what they did right. If there were issues, describe them clearly and suggest how they could improve. Remember, your feedback not only helps the seller but also assists other potential buyers in making informed decisions. Once you've filled out your feedback, take a moment to review it for clarity and accuracy. When you're satisfied with what you've written, go ahead and submit it. Your feedback will be processed and added to the seller's profile, contributing to the community of Amazon shoppers. And there you have it. You've successfully given seller feedback on Amazon. It's a simple process that can make a big difference for both sellers and fellow buyers. By sharing your experiences, you help create a more transparent and trustworthy marketplace. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.